lens has surprised me and given me a lot of great shots over the last couple of years. I mean, it was a kit lens. It is a kit lens. It comes with like cheap DSLRs. I don't know if it does it anymore, but this is a EFS 10 to 18mm. I'm gonna show you what shots I've been getting with this on my full frame camera. Let's go. So we're gonna shoot this nice little scene here. Look at the views. I'm gonna shoot with the 10 to 18 first. Sorting out the bath situation. Plumber. Now this lens absolutely still shocks me. I mean, it is a variable aperture lens, but if you have a big sensor with something like the R6, you can still bump up the ISO and it still be very clean. It's stabilized, it is EFS, so it does crop in when you do attach it to a full frame. But what I'm getting out of this for specific type of shots, wide shots, I use it a lot when I use flash, and when I do use it for things like flash, it kind of gives it a nice distorted look. So it can look distorted if you need it to be at the wider end at 10, because it obviously is 10 to 18. But literally the style that I shoot with flash, but even when I'm not flash, as you can see just from general usage, you can get some really cool creative shots that can complement your page or a carousel post on Instagram. It's not just for something that you would use on just a kit lens or a starter lens. I think this is a very underrated lens. I think there's a lot of these EF glass that is extremely underrated and definitely needs to be used. And not just need expensive lenses to get amazing shots. But if you want me to do more shoots of it, let me know in the comments below and I'll get some more shoots done with it and show some more results. My Canon colours, like instantly, I don't have to do anything to add the changing the temperature.
I think that it looks better if I have a shoulder out for this. I think it would. As I'm walking, the shoulder.
Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Nice. There's what gets it.
You want me on my toes again, or you want heels?
Yeah, that's it.
Looks like it.